Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about WhatsApp not receiving messages on an Android device. So if you're using an Android phone and your phone is not receiving messages on WhatsApp, so there could be different reasons which we are going to be discussing in this video. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account and you are using WhatsApp on your Android device as a primary. So if you head over to link devices and you click on link a device, and you can scan and just log into another device, and you can use WhatsApp on two different phones. So make sure that your Android phone is your primary. And still, if you do not have your issue resolved, make sure to head over to your settings, and in here you need to just simply head over to storage and cache. Just clear the cache and storage as well. Make sure that there is no important data in your WhatsApp, and eventually once you do, make sure that in the permissions you are allowed with camera, contacts, location, microphone and storage, and as well your call logs, phone and SMS. I have these denied, which could be a problem, but you need to make sure that these all of them are allowed. So yeah, that will eventually fix WhatsApp not receiving messages on your Android device. So I hope you found this video informative and liked it as well. If you did so, make sure to share it with your friends, and thanks so much for watching, and see you around the next video.